This tiny upgrade promises a massive change to your Tesla driving experience, but can it really deliver? We're looking at the HALOBLK Performance alloy foot pedals, designed specifically for the latest Tesla Model Y and Model 3, including the Juniper and Highland updates, and even the Model S and X. The big claim here is a 1-second installation, and honestly, it sounds almost too good to be true. But the lock-and-play system is genuinely impressive. You just snap them on, and they feel incredibly secure. No tools, no fuss, just a quick upgrade that makes a noticeable difference. What really sets these apart is the construction. They use an OEM die-casting process, which means the rubber and the anodized aluminum are bonded together seamlessly. This isn't just for looks. It feels super durable and stable underfoot. You get that reassuring grip, especially important when you're driving enthusiastically. Speaking of grip, the asymmetrical brake pedal design is a clever touch. It's beveled in a way that makes transitioning from the accelerator to the brake pedal feel much more natural and less of a conscious effort. It sounds like a small detail, but in practice, it really does improve the fluidity of your driving. And then there's the size. HALOBLK claims a 40% larger foot area on the brake pedal compared to the stock one. This is a game changer for comfort and control. Your foot has more surface area to work with, which translates to better modulation of the brakes and a more planted feeling. It just feels more substantial and confidence-inspiring. Visually, they add a sporty and chic aesthetic to the interior. The non-slip pattern looks great and, more importantly, functions as intended, keeping your feet firmly planted. For anyone looking to add a touch of performance and a significant boost in tactile feel to their Tesla, these HALOBLK pedals are a seriously compelling option. They're easy to install, well-built, and genuinely enhance the driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.